Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, you've applied for a loan with Navy Federal and now you're playing the waiting game, constantly refreshing your email. How long does it actually take to get an approval? The truth is, there's no single magic number. The timeline can be anything from a few seconds to over a month. It all depends on a few key factors, and we're going to break them all down for you right now. First and most importantly, the biggest variable is the type of loan you're applying for. If you're going for a credit card or a small personal loan, the decision can be almost instant. Many members see an approval within minutes, sometimes even seconds, right after hitting the submit button online. This is especially true if you have a good relationship with Navy Federal and a solid credit history. For auto loans, the process is also very quick. You can often get an approval decision the very same day, frequently in just a few hours. This is fantastic because it allows you to walk into a dealership with your financing already secured, giving you serious bargaining power. But then there's the big one, mortgages. A home loan is a completely different animal. Due to the complexity, the sheer amount of money involved, and all the federal regulations, you should expect the mortgage approval process to take anywhere from 30 to 45 days, and sometimes even longer. This lengthy process includes multiple stages like pre-approval, a deep dive by underwriting, a home appraisal, and a title search, all of which take significant time. The second major factor is your personal financial profile. If you have a high credit score, a low debt-to-income ratio, and a stable, verifiable income, your application is considered low risk. It can often fly through Navy Federal's automated decision system for a super-fast approval. However, if your application has some potential issues, like a borderline credit score, a high amount of existing debt, or a more complex income situation like being self-employed, it will almost certainly get flagged for a manual review. This means a real person, a loan officer, needs to carefully examine your file. That manual review process will naturally add more time to your wait, maybe an extra day or two, or even longer if they need to verify specific information on your application. Finally, how you apply and how prepared you are also makes a big difference. Applying online or through the Navy Federal mobile app is almost always the fastest route. Their digital systems are built for speed and efficiency. If you call in or visit a branch, it might be slightly slower simply because of the manual data entry involved. And here's a pro tip that can save you a ton of time: have all of your documents ready from the start. We're talking about your most recent pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, and bank statements. If Navy Federal's underwriting team has to pause your application to email you and ask for a missing document, the clock stops. Your application essentially goes into a holding pattern until you send them what they need. The faster you provide complete and accurate information, the faster they can give you a final decision. So to recap, a simple credit card can be approved in minutes, an auto loan often takes a few hours to a day, and a mortgage will take a month or more. Your best bet for a speedy approval is to have a strong financial profile, apply online, and have all your paperwork ready to go. I hope this clears things up and helps you set the right expectations. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more straight-to-the-point financial